Today, we're diving into jaw-dropping celebrity makeup transformations that left us all in awe. Let's explore these stunning makeovers and see how makeup artists work their magic. Kicking off our countdown at number 4, we have Celebrity 1. Known for her natural beauty, watch as skilled makeup artists transform her look into a radiant glow fit for the red carpet. From flawless foundation to shimmering eyeshadow, every detail enhances her features. Next up, at number 3, Celebrity 2 takes center stage. Starting with a fresh-faced canvas, makeup artists work their magic to create a striking evening look. The transformation is breathtaking, with bold lips and captivating eyes that define glamour. At number 2, we're mesmerized by Celebrity 3's makeover journey. From subtle enhancements to a sophisticated finish, the transformation is a testament to the artistry behind makeup. Each brushstroke highlights her natural beauty, leaving us inspired by the power of cosmetics. Finally, claiming the top spot is Celebrity 4, whose transformation is nothing short of extraordinary. From a natural look to a glamorous makeover, the process unfolds with elegance and sophistication. The final result captures the essence of beauty. Which celebrity transformation impressed you the most? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more amazing content. Thanks for watching!